Hello, everyone. Discover the ultimate air fryer guide. Ready to revolutionize your cooking experience? In this video, we unveil the top best air fryers that are set to elevate your culinary adventures. Upgrade your cooking game and savor the delicious results with these top-of-the-line air fryers. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Bella Pro 4.2 QT Air Fryer. Introducing the Bella Pro 4.2 QT Air Fryer, your kitchen's new secret weapon. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this culinary marvel redefines cooking simplicity. The 4.2 quart capacity ensures you can whip up delicious, crispy delights for the entire family. Its rapid air circulation technology guarantees a golden, crunchy finish without the guilt of excess oil. The intuitive digital touchscreen allows precision control, while the multifunctional settings cater to a variety of dishes. From crispy fries to succulent chicken, the Bella Pro 4.2 QT Air Fryer turns every meal into a masterpiece. Elevate your cooking game, save time, and relish guilt-free indulgence with this must-have kitchen companion. Number 4. Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to culinary excellence with the Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. This kitchen powerhouse combines 6 functions in one air fry: roast, bake, broil, toast, and dehydrate, offering unmatched versatility. The spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, while the digital control panel ensures precise cooking every time. With cyclonic grilling technology, enjoy perfectly cooked dishes with that coveted golden crisp. The Foodi's sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a must-have for cooking enthusiasts and busy families alike. Elevate your culinary creations, save time, and embrace a new era of cooking innovation with the Ninja SP100 Foodi 6-in-1 Digital Air Fry Oven. Number 3. Cosori Lite 4-quart Smart Air Fryer. Meet the game changer in your kitchen, the Cosori Lite 4-quart Smart Air Fryer. Crafted for modern cooks, this compact dynamo seamlessly blends technology with taste. The 4-quart capacity caters to your culinary cravings, ensuring crisp perfection without the guilt. The smart air fryer features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your cooking through the Cosori app, providing ultimate convenience. With 11 preset functions, from fries to desserts, culinary exploration has never been this exciting. The sleek design and intuitive touch controls make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience, savor healthier delights, and embrace the future of smart cooking with the Cosori Lite 4-quart Smart Air Fryer. Number 2. Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Introducing the culinary marvel that does it all, the Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This kitchen powerhouse seamlessly merges the convenience of a toaster oven with the innovation of an air fryer. Immerse yourself in a world of culinary possibilities as this versatile appliance bakes, broils, toasts, and air fries with precision. The spacious interior accommodates family-sized meals, while the air fry technology ensures a crispy golden finish without excess oil. The user-friendly controls and multiple cooking functions make it a must-have for busy kitchens. Upgrade your cooking game, save counter space, and savor the perfect blend of technology and taste with the Black & Decker Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Number 1. PowerXL Air Fryer Oven. Prepare to embark on a flavor-packed journey with the PowerXL Air Fryer Oven. This kitchen dynamo revolutionizes cooking, offering a perfect fusion of versatility and convenience. With a spacious interior and powerful convection fan, this appliance ensures even cooking, whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or dehydrating. The digital control panel and preset functions make gourmet meals accessible at the touch of a button. Say goodbye to traditional frying and hello to guilt-free indulgence, as the air fryer oven cooks with little to no oil, delivering crispy perfection every time. Elevate your culinary creations, streamline your cooking process, and embrace a healthier lifestyle with the PowerXL air fryer oven.